Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So I can see there's a shadow, sorry. I was gonna try and mess around a little bit more with it, but like Emmy's right here, and I know if I move things around, she'll kind of get it out of the frame or leave me. Stay, baby. So I know y'all want to see that cute little face. But anyways, yeah, welcome. Today we're opening and trying on my Stitch Fix, my Fix number 50. Oh no, she left. Maybe she'll come back. I think I had some tape around here. Emmy! It's a mess. It's a mess here. Yeah, you guys, this is my 50th Stitch Fix. If you guys don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a styling service. Obviously, I like it. I pay for it myself. I do have a referral link, so it's not affiliate. It's anyone who is a subscriber or gets Stitch Fix. I should say not subscriber, because you can either get it scheduled every month, so it is like a subscription, or you can just request it as you go. Anyways, I have a $25 credit if you want to join that will go towards your first fix. I've gotten this so many times, obviously, and I talk about the whole service and everything in depth, so I will leave down below my entire Stitch Fix playlist. Not all of the 50 fixes are on there, but there are a lot. So yeah, you get a stylist, you get 5 items sent to you, and now they have this new service that you can actually pick all of the items yourself. I did not do it in a time frame, so this is all a surprise this time, which I don't really mind because I think my stylist is awesome. So yeah, you could either have it be curated by your stylist based on your feedback and a profile you fill out, or you can, well, it'll still be based on that, or you can just have the selection. Like they'll give you 10 options and you get to select 5 of them. It's really awesome. I love Stitch Fix. I love it. Highly recommend it. And you even get to tell them like your price range, like your price preferences. I put like the lowest possible for all of them. So I have 5 things here from my stylist, Jamie. Thanks, Jamie, if you're watching. And the total for all 5 would be $258, but if you keep all 5, you get to save 25%. So I would save $64.50, bringing the total to $193.50. So there's 2 options when you subscribe or sign up. You can pay a $20 styling fee, and that $20 you'll get charged each time, but it applies to any of your purchases. Or you can do what I did and do a yearly style pass, which is $49. So if you plan to get at least like 3 fixes a year, then that is totally worth it in my opinion. I do get mine sent to me once a month. And yeah, so you get free shipping there and back. Sorry, I'm just trying to give you like the essentials. I feel like I'm so off my game right now. By the way, hi, my name's Kitty. If you guys are new here, I love subscription boxes and subscription services like Stitch Fix, and I open them like 5 days here on our channel, so if you like that too, please subscribe. It means so much to me, but no pressure, just by being here and watching is super awesome. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And yeah, you guys have to let me know your feedback because I already tried everything on. I'm actually wearing one of the items now, so let me know what you think I should keep because your feedback means a lot to me. It's good to get feedback from other people on what looks good and what doesn't, because sometimes I think things don't look good on me, and then you guys are like, oh, it looks great, and then I like rethink it, I wear it, and it grows on me. I don't know, it's just nice to get another pair of eyes, or a lot of pairs of eyes, giving you some feedback. So I'm going to try and do this in the order that I tried them on. So I was thinking, like, you can let your stylist know in advance, like if there's any events coming up or something like that. Like, I'm going to Spain in just over 2 weeks. I didn't even think to tell my stylist about it. I was just checking the weather. Right now it's like 73, 75 every day in Barcelona where I'm going, which is like perfect. But I'm used to like 90 degrees, but still, that's so nice. So I think it'll probably be the same in 2 weeks, you know? So I'm just keeping that in mind. So this first dress I tried on, normally I'm like, I don't think I would get it for my everyday life here in Florida, but I do need like a new like black dress. And this one, I really like the cut at the bottom, and it's like 3/4 sleeves, and it's like an appropriate cut. So I'm going to Barcelona with my parents. So, I mean, like, I don't want to be like too risque, and I thought it's really comfortable. I think this would be good. We're going to a lot of wineries. Like, we're pretty much going to be eating and drinking a lot. That's like what we do best. So, I was thinking maybe this could be good for this. This is the Gold Ray Blaze Rib Knit Dress in black, size medium, and it's $68. So I think it'd be good for things like that. Just to like have on hand, like I could use it for other things too. Like I don't think I'd wear it frequently, but I would get use out of it, if that makes sense. The next thing, so I got a pair of jeans. So I tried this on with 2 different tops, and at first I was like, I don't really wear the style jeans, but I'm like, wait, actually I like them. They're really comfortable. At first I was like, they're like a size 6 it says. I was like, oh, they might be a little snug, but they are so comfy. They're boot cut, but it seems more like flared bottoms. I don't know. I mean, like, I'm growing out of the skinny trend, kind of. Like, I already have those too, like a few different kinds, but I think I like these. These are the Judy Blue Los Angeles slim boot cut fits. Like, I don't think they're that slim. I mean, like, and they're like stretchy and nice, and I think they're $58. Where does it say? Yeah, which I don't think is bad. Like, and I kind of like how like my booty looks now a little bit. Like, and it's comfy, and I think I want to keep them. The length seems good. You guys have to let me know what you think. So I tried these on with 2 tops. The first top was this tank top here, and I do like this. With both the tops, I was like, what bra do I wear? I'm sorry if I'm nipply or anything in that video. Whatever. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of bras, so I'm like, I have those like sticker things. But like with tank tops like this, I mean, you could wear something, but I do like this. I feel like I would get some use out of this. I'd probably wear it mostly with like my jorts I wear every day. This is by Market and Spruce, a brand I've discovered through Stitch Fix that I do enjoy. And this is their Max Surplus top. And it says navy, and it's $38. So I think I like this, because I think I would definitely wear this. So let me know if you think it looks good. I mean, the next top, I'm not positive about. Like, I don't know if I love it. Like, I think I'd only keep it, like, if I keep everything, because that 25% discount is, like, more than if you, like, just send one on back, you know? I still have not decided what I'm going to keep or not, but this is what it looks like. So it's like cold shoulder. I do like the colors and everything like that. I'm like, maybe I'd wear it a couple times, but I feel like I'd wear it more like for videos. I don't know if I'd wear it like out and about. I go out a little bit now. I was like, do I go out and about? I'm like, kind of. I'm going out with my friend from Sweden tonight. We're going to go get dinner and some wine. I got to practice for Spain, you know. So this is the Kaylee Villette back detail cold shoulder in green, and this is $36. So yeah, let me know what you think, in case you can't tell. I already shot the footage, but the last thing I have on now, and I love it, and I'm going to keep it, and I love it so much. This is also by Kaylee, and it's the Adalia knit jumpsuit in navy, and this one's $58. I love this. So it's really comfy, first of all. There's pockets. I like how it's cinched at the waist. It's not too tight at the crotch like a lot of jumpsuits are. Sorry, this is like all... it's just flattering. It's a little long. I put some shoes on with it because I wasn't sure like how it would be. It's like, might go, you know, step on them a little bit, but I'm not really worried because it's a darker color. It won't like totally be ruined, but I really like this. I think I'm going to keep this one for sure. I might even wear this out tonight. I don't know. I have to look and see what the weather is like. I mean, sometimes it rains around this time. It's 88 right now. The low is 68. Whoa. That's low for here. Maybe I will. I don't know where we're going. It doesn't matter. But I might just keep this on for the rest of the day because I really freaking like it. So yeah, you can still let me know what you think about this, but I think I'm going to keep this no matter what. I love it. I'm into jumpsuits, I guess. So that was everything, you guys. Is this going to be a quick video? I don't know. Let me know. So I think I want this for sure. And I like the jeans and that one top. I need your help, so let a girl know. Thanks in advance for your help. And let me know how you guys are doing. And do you guys get Stitch Fix? And is there any other clothing service you recommend that's like affordable and has good clothes? I've tried some and I didn't like love all the choices, but they're supposed to be more affordable. And I don't want to get like one like the one from Nordstrom, what's it called again? That's like just too expensive because like I want stuff like this, like $58 for like a jumpsuit or a dress or a jacket or something, or like $38 top. Like that's like, you know, as much as I want to spend. So yeah, let me know if you have any recommendations. Let me know how you're doing. Thank you again for being here and for your feedback, advice, comments. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all safe and healthy. And yeah, I will see you super soon. Bye guys.